Americans Connected Inc. and you. Together, we can change the future. Alrighty, this is Stanley Bloomfield in Americans Connected Inc.'s The Linux Workshop. We're going to make the video, part 2 video of the Linux demonstration videos. And in this video, we're going to combine all the features of part 1, and we're going to make a video. We're going to render it to an AVI file, and then we're going to upload it onto YouTube. And we're going to see that Linux and the software are high quality software and operating systems. And with that said, let's get going. All right. First off, we got to scroll down and find Kdenlive on our software toolbar, and there we have Kdenlive is open. I've got all of my packages are in AC Home Storage, which is Americans Connected Home Storage, and I have it in my Kdenlive projects. Now, what we're going to do is we'll start off with our logo. We'll put our words, and then we'll go with the picture we made. We'll put that one in third. We're going to put the background song in that we made, and from there we'll need our plant, and I'm going to use a different I'm going to use in my Kdenlive. I've got some video footage that already right there. Let's see how long. Oh, that's only 3 seconds. Alright, let's see. This one's 2 minutes and 58 seconds. No, I didn't like that. Why did it?
Hello, this is Stanley Bloomfield, and we're in Americans Connected Inc.'s The Linux Workshop. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the installations videos for helping you set up your computer system.
All right, we'll use this video footage. So we'll drag that and drop it in. Now, with video, large files, you've got to look down here on the bottom, and if you don't wait for it to load in completely, we may end up locking the system up. And now I'm going to go back to my Kdenlive projects in Americans Connected Home, and we're going to load the rest of the files that we need. Oh, background sound. I did that one. Yeah, background sound. So I want to use my song as the last song. Alright, I think that's it. Now what we do is we just start dragging and dropping, and I've got to leave a little bit of room because the background music is 34 seconds long, and right off the bat, I'm gonna cut that out, and we're gonna delete that out. Now I'm going to play the music. I'm going to right there. I think that right there is where I want it. Yeah. Now what I got to do, I'm going to cut that out. And see, I got to select the scissors. And what I can do, I can drop that down there. And now I can slide everything back over. And that's pretty good. Okay, now I'm trying to get a rough estimate. So that's, looks like 19 seconds, 18. So let's go. We're gonna double click on the picture, and we're gonna select that up and change the duration to 6 seconds. We're gonna slide that one down, change the duration to 6 seconds, and then we're gonna slide this one. All right, see there, that was a little longer than I thought. Oh wait, let's now we'll add. All right, we're going to go back and change these back to 5. And then we'll change this one back to 5. And we'll slide these all back down. And I think that might work right there. Let's. There, we can turn that down. All right, and that worked. So now with our the picture we made in the first video is this one using LibreOffice and GIMP, and I just got these pictures off the internet, and so that right there is our theme. This picture I made with LibreOffice as well and GIMP, as with this picture. Now I'm going to just delete that music out, and then this here background music that I played, that I put in here, I crop duration, crop start, and position. See, we can do the same thing. We can this music we made with Audacity, and so that's our background music. And now we're going to put in our capture video, and let's see. There, I'm just going to select up my scissors again. I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to delete that. All right. All right, what I'm doing is I'm listening for mistakes, and in my shop I set up my camcorder, and I just stood against the wall and spoke. And the Kden Live video editing software that we're using right now, this is the software that I plugged my camcorder into, and I have to have a video card to capture the video from the camcorder. And so this is how we use this software to make our videos.
So the 14.0403 has a couple years left for support life. And the next thing is we've installed CentOS and OpenSUS on this computer with two inside two virtual boxes. And when you run your OpenSUS, we set that up to open up with your graphical user interface install. And with the CentOS installation, we install that with a minimal install, and then at the end of the CentOS installation video, we walk you through the steps for installing the graphical user interface, the KDE interface. And so every time you start your OpenSUS operating system up in the virtual box, you'll have to type in a command line start X, and then your KDE Plasma workspaces will start right up, and you'll have a desktop environment at that point. You can either learn CentOS from the command line only, and then learn OpenSUS.
All right, I think we'll splice it out there.
Desktop environment at that.
Let's go back here.
And you'll have a desktop environment at that. You can.
There we go. And we're going to splice this out right there. And then we can delete that. Now, what I just did was I just went through this little video clip here to make sure that it's good to go. And for the purpose of demonstration, that video is good to go. And so I believe we made these 5-second increments. Yep, 5, 5, and 5. Yep, so we should be able to get away with just duplicating. Alrighty, and then we'll put that there, and then I think I'm gonna shake things up a little. And we're gonna reverse it, and we'll go up here. We'll find us our. I don't like the way that did that. Okay, that's better. All right. Okay, American. You know, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna do a quick check to see what this is. Okay, that is the flower. Yeah, okay. Now, let's, okay. Well, you know what? I'm not going to be able to do that because of the audio. And this time I'm going to put my song in the background. And let's see, that should do right there. We'll keep that. I think I'll have to go with 7 for my song. 7 and 7. Okay, let's go. Now we want to put that right about there, and what we'll do is we're going to alright, that right there. Now I'm looking for that. Yep, that right there is my spot. And so I mark it, and then I put my scissors right on that spot, and then I can drag this down. I'll mute the audio so I can't it won't play. All right, that'll work. Let's see, where's my now? Right there. Okay, we'll turn that into a 6. All right, and now all right, got that in the audio, and we'll delete that one. Now, oh, did you see what I did there? I had the all right, and so now we've incorporated all the elements of our of all the software packages in that we used in the first video, and we've just completed our video. It looks like 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And there we go. All right, now we're going to. All right, we don't have any audio or video clips that are unmuted or muted, and I believe, and now this is just for the sake of a demonstration, and so I believe we're ready to render. So we'll render this down. I'm going to put this in a, let's let it select, oh, there we go. I'm going to put this in my Americans Connected Home in completed video footage. Yes, we're going to render this down, and we're going to call this Linux demonstration video part 2. Linux demonstration video part 2. Alrighty, and now I'm going to select up 720 by 25 frames per second, high def quality, PAL. All right, we've got it going in the right folder. Our audio. Alrighty, and I think that should work. And let's render this to a file. And looks like we've got about 1 minute and 51 seconds. So this won't be too long. We've got a windstorm going on outside, so if you hear clunking, it's the wind hitting the doors and the windows. About 1 minute to go. We're going to leave all the footage in. Now, a lot of people may not be able to play the guitar, the harmonica, the keyboard, you know, so you got to keep in mind, hopefully you'll find some family and friends that'll want to, do this stuff with you. And then you just go around and find the right talent that's needed to fill in the missing talent. And there we go. Rendering finished in 1 minute and 52 seconds. I'm going to save this one to my desktop, and again we'll call it Linux Demonstration Video Part 2, and this is my project, and now it's saved on my desktop, and we'll leave it open for a minute. Alright, we're going to go back into Americans Connected Home Storage and completed video footage, Linux Demonstration Part 2. Alright, looks like it rendered down pretty good. Wow, this is an M2T file.
Americans Connected Inc. and you. Together, we can change the future.
Yep. Alright, and now...
Hello, this is Stanley Bloomfield, and I'm becoming...
And there's our captured video.
Left. You'll have to... and you'll have a desktop environment at that point.
Alright.
And you. Together, we can change the future.
Alright, like I said, this is just a demonstration of pretty much to prove that if you want, you can make real cartoons. And I'd like to add something about South Park, the cartoon. Yes, it's vulgar, and those guys cross way too many lines. But the real deal is, you can make Bugs Bunny style cartoons. You can make South Park style cartoons. You can make Simpsons styles cartoons. You can make videos. You can you can do anything that Hollywood is doing, and that's what the real point of this demonstration is. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to, you know, I think I would rather have a open in a new private. There we go. We're going to go to www.youtube.com. Alrighty. I'm going to sign in, and that is the Linux Workshop at hotmail.com, and then I gotta put my password in. Alrighty, and we're into Americans Connected Inc.'s YouTube account. And so now I'm gonna select the file to upload, and what we do is we go back to AC Home Storage. I'm going to go down to completed video files, and right there's our part 1, but that's going to take a long time to upload with 1.2 gig, and so we're going to go and drag the part 2 video, the demonstration. We're going to drag that into the square, and now, as you can see, this is loading up pretty quick. I'm going to type a quick description. This video is a demonstration of 8 to 10 Linux software packages in which I made a video from scratch. The let's see. All right, that should do. Let's go. We'll type in Linux. We'll type in video editing. Let's give it Ubuntu. I'm gonna fix this up later, but those are some keywords. And now I am going to make this unlisted, and that way, now see, we're done, but it's still, we're going to let that keep going until it gives us the our thumbnails. What we got is I'm going to require people to have a password to view this video on the website www.thelinuxworkshop.com, and I think we'll go with this thumbnail. And okay, custom thumbnail, and there we go. Now we're done. Now I'm going to copy my link, and I'm going to come back over to let's see, I'm going to come back up here, and let's go to www.facebook.com, and this is my Facebook account, and we'll just post it up here. This is a video I made for demonstrating Linux software. It proves the software works, and what makes this more awesome is the software is free. All right, now I will post my link, and there we go. Linux demonstration video part 2, and now it's posted. Now, as you can see, we went from step 1 through step Z, A through Z, step 1 through 26, I should say. And there you go. I took you through the process of making a complete video from start to finish. We have all the elements of animation, background music, lip syncing, photo editing, and video capturing. And there we go. We'll shrink these down, and all right. Please don't hesitate in contacting me at Michiganians@centralmichiganconnected.com, or you can contact me through my Skype phone number, which I don't know that right off the bat. That Skype phone number is 517-580-5976, or you can find us at www.thelinuxworkshop.com. And I hope that you see the value in Linux, and I really do want you to start developing marketable skills for your future. And please look through our website and join, and keep in mind that we have 5 high-quality videos that will walk you through the complete installation process for to set up your computer so you can start taking 2 online Linux courses. And thank you.
And then your KDE Plasma workspaces will start right up, and you'll have a, a desktop environment at that point.
Americans Connected Inc. and you. Together, we can change the future. Americans Connected Inc. and you. Together, we can change the future.